Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Roblox avatar to R15. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Roblox application, and first of all, we need to go to the avatar menu, and then we can go to the customize and choose the animation. Okay, and when you choose animation, your avatar will be switched to R15 avatar, and then I'm going to click on switch. Okay, and then when you enable the R15 avatar, you will be able to animate your Roblox avatar. And wait, I'm going to apply, for example, this realistic run animation. Okay, and this is how the animation looks like. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.